everyone, and good afternoon, especially Mr. Khairul Anwar as the plenary session for today, and the audience will below it for today. Before we step to our presentation, let me introduce myself. I'm Iman Tauhid as the student of PTQ University, and here is my team, Mr. Muhammad Adibul Mukhtar and Mr. Professor Yus Budiono. Maybe for English, I just take explain the English in several points. After that, the explanation will be going by Indonesian. Like it. Well, let me start from the introduction of this paper. Well, the animal and human is the both of Allah creation in this earth, and then they are following the earth for worship to Allah. And after that, the animal firstly come into the earth. Maybe since 3.5 billion years ago, by the fungi or anything. So after that, following the human, such Homo sapien, following by 45,000 years ago. So in many years, the human always need food or anything for their life. If this not be attained by the human self, then the human always exploit the animal wildlife or ecosystem and natural conservation will be exploited by human source or by human doing like that. So here, this is the introduction, and well, we talk about the animal welfare, which are following at wildlife crossing, and the thematic interpretation that's suitable with animal with the wildlife crossing. So here maybe for the slide, we move to the next slide. Continue. Again. Immediately, we turning our attention to the result and discussion. We talk about social fact. That the inevitable conflict human and wildlife as a host, or human and wildlife always certainly for the life. They are always work harmony, and when they didn't work harmony, and then the earth maybe not be coloring good. Here is when the human always need the investment and economic necessary. So the human lack of attention for governance, and then the human always exploit the animal wildlife or the animal ecosystem always be exploited. And when the human lack of learn about the traffic cross the human, and then the consequence is wildlife vehicle pollution. Continue to the next slide. Here is the wildlife vehicle pollution data. We take in the Wallonia, Belgium, total case between 78%. Here the data is when the human injuries, there is the human injuries and no human injuries, and the total of collision may be the brown bird and roe deer, fox, and the other. This is the with the white vehicle collision data. We took at the Wallonia, Belgium. Continue, sir. Returning to the next slide. Enough here. This is the best breakthrough when the human always attend the animal ecosystem, and the humans have a sense belonging about ecosystem, and then we will the one of option or the one of rule for wildlife welfare. The one of them is wildlife crossing. Here is the history of wildlife crossing. Firstly, with at Netherlands since 1970 and 1950. Alright, continue to the next slide. Here is the study effectiveness case when the wildlife crossing was built at many countries. The first at Arizona, United States. Many species overwork at the animal cross between maybe the example we take the above 15,000 cross duration about time 7 years. Nah, this data took by the different time, and then this total following the different time. Continue to the next slide. This is also Wetland Park, Western Australia. Continue. This is the study effectiveness about China, and then this is also the one of the rule when we are attend the wildlife welfare. Here is the campaigning animal protection. When many experimenter use the animal for experimental or for testing, because before the maybe we take the example about medicine about body lotion. Before use to the human, maybe firstly that will be experiment to the animal, and when the animal maybe dead or the soul will was removed to Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala, and then the result, this lotion or this medicine is failed like this. Nah, this is the one of the animal didn't protection the animal. This is don't attend the animal welfare, and then the solution is many industry has campaigned as animal protection against the animal experiment, and then many industry against the animal experiment. Maybe the industry didn't use the animal experiment, or maybe the industry use the natural shape or the natural material for their industry. Continue to the next slide. Continue. This is the continue. Maybe immediately to the Holy Quran about the suitable with the wildlife crossing. This is, and then we step to the Mr. Muhammad Adibul Mukhtar as the next presentation about thematic interpretation from Quran.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tentang model crossing atau jembatan hewan. Kenapa kita mengangkat tema besar ini? Karena memang akhir-akhir ini, mulai dari 10 tahun ke belakang, Indonesia lagi gencar-gencarnya untuk pembangunan infrastruktur untuk menyambungkan dan meningkatkan ekonomi berbagai daerah. Karena kita sadar negara kita adalah negara kepulauan, dan jarak satu daerah ke daerah yang lain itu luas sekali dan amat jauh sekali. Tentu hari ini seperti di Sumatera atau di Kalimantan ataupun bahkan di Jawa yang pembangunan jalan tol itu pasti membutuhkan pembukaan lahan, khususnya hutan, yang dimana hutan itu menjadi sebuah tempat tinggal dari beberapa hewan. Otomatis kalau hutan itu digusur atau ditebang, hewan-hewan yang tinggal di sana itu akan secara tidak langsung akan pergi ataupun punah. Itu menjadi hal yang sangat berat dan sebuah keniscayaan. Lalu mengenai interpretasi atau penafsiran mengenai jembatan hewan ini, kita mengambil metode yakni tafsir maudhu'i. Pertama, sebab adanya wave crossing ini karena memang sebuah kerusakan alam semesta ini atau kerusakan di bumi ini sudah terjadi sejak zaman di mana bumi itu pertama kali diciptakan. Karena kita tahu Nabi Adam sebagai khalifah diutus untuk menggantikan makhluk sebelumnya yang katanya atau yang kita lebih terkenal itu suka merusak lingkungan. Lalu yang kedua, Al-Quran sebagai kalamullah yang ditujukan kepada seluruh umat manusia sebagai kitab pedoman hidup, selalu mengingatkan agar manusia selalu menjaga alam, khususnya untuk melestarikan kelestarian hewan. Dan penulis menganalisis untuk beberapa dalam kerusakan di bumi yakni yang dilakukan oleh manusia. Pertama ada fasaqah. Fasaqah ini mempunyai pengertian yakni pengabaian terhadap perintah Allah Subhanahu wa taala ataupun bisa dipahami yakni penyimpangan dari jalan kebenaran. Tren fasaqah sendiri itu di dalam Al-Qur'an mempunyai 12 bentuk dan terulang sebanyak 61 kali. Kedua ada fasada yakni lawan dari kebaikan yang mempunyai 15 bentuk dan terulang sebanyak 50 kali dalam Al-Qur'an. Dan terakhir dalam qatala yang mempunyai makna pembunuhan mempunyai 71 bentuk dan 170 kali terulang dalam Al-Quran. Mengingat term-term di atas itu, kayaknya term di atas itu mengindikasikan dan menyebabkan kerusakan di bumi ialah manusia. Karena memang kita sadar kenapa Tuhan itu memperingatkan dengan term ketika term tersebut tentang kerusakan di bumi supaya manusia sadar untuk melindungi alam dan khususnya untuk melindungi satwa liar. Mengenai wildlife crossing sendiri atau jembatan hewan, agaknya ini menjadi solusi dalam kelestarian satwa. Hal ini tersirat dalam Quran Surah An-Naml ayat 18-19 yang dimana ini adalah cerita dari Nabi Sulaiman beserta pasukannya yang ingin pergi ke suatu tempat dan ternyata dari Nabi Sulaiman mendengar keratu semut yang memperingatkan pasukannya untuk masuk ke dalam sarangnya agar tidak terinjak sia-sia oleh pasukan Nabi Sulaiman. Finish.
Right. This is the last our presentation. But before we close, maybe we can share to you about the conclusion. The conclusion is wildlife crossing have been benefit human safety in their economic in order cost saving. So the second, many verses of Quran within human for minimize damage of environment conservation. For closing, our purpose is animal husbandry education for all people. So the second, sustainability of the environment around human, and the last, where the role of Muslim on the earth is not being excessive. Alright? Maybe this what we can deliver for you. And the last, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.